Welcome back on this Monday morning. So for today, we have a front that's moving across the area. Later on, with some daytime heating, we'll see some thunderstorms pop up. We're not expecting severe weather, though, and it won't be completely widespread. Then as we continue this week, we'll still be a little bit above normal early on. We'll have more seasonal temperatures for the midweek. And then another warm up as we head into this upcoming weekend when another disturbance is expected to bring in more rain chances for us for Friday into Saturday. So this is what's happening within the jet stream right now. We have more of a zonal flow, which is a west to east wind flow, keeping in some of that warm and muggy air. But there's a trough just to our west, and that's going to dig in today and tomorrow. It's going to bring in a surface cold front for us, which is what's going to bring in the potential of those showers and thunder showers today and yet again for tomorrow, but also going to bring in some slightly cooler air under this northwest wind flow for Tuesday, extending into Wednesday. This big ridge to the west of us on the west coast, that moves in later on this week with slightly above normal temperatures by the time Friday rolls around. Current dew points ahead of that front, you can see a lot of 60s and 70s overextending into parts of even Iowa and Minnesota ahead of that front that is traversing parts of the UP right now. There it is. There is a secondary front to the north, and that is going to move on through with another low wave of energy tomorrow. So two fronts to kind of get through. This one passes on east today. Severe weather potential with it for us today. We're not looking at severe weather today unless you're in areas downstate. So keep in mind, if you're going downstate, there's a level 1 to a level 2 in the far southern counties of Michigan, where there's a slight risk for some strong to severe thunderstorms in those places. Here in the UP, we are in the clear from that. Here's the hour by hour for today. Not a whole lot happening through the morning hours. An isolated shower possible early on this morning, but a better chance of widely scattered thunder showers occurring later on this afternoon. There it is, extending into the evening hours. Here's 7:30 and then moving on out. As we head into tomorrow, we start off a little bit more quiet northerly wind flow. It looks like most of the rain passes just to our west and south and then to our north. However, we also have a few widely isolated rain showers as we head into Tuesday. Wednesday looks great. We have high pressure moving in, clouds clear out. We're looking at sunny skies and seasonal temperatures similar to this past weekend. At this moment, downtown Marquette's a little on the cloudy side. It is going to be a toasty day, so potentially this AC unit's certainly going to get a run for their money today, especially towards the end of the week. Now, temperatures as we head throughout the day will easily be into the mid 70s by about late morning hours, into the lower 80s this afternoon, especially for areas along the Wisconsin state line and inland. Here it is, the breakdown for those temperatures: 80s to the south, a little bit cooler near the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Looking ahead tomorrow, we're looking at 70s. Pretty much more seasonal temperatures for the rest of this week and a little bit more humid and active into the weekend.